MetaMask is required if you want to have a chance of making it in the crypto space. Today, I teach you guys everything you need to know about it. From what it is and why you need it, to setting it up and actually using it, I show you guys everything here. My name's Austin with Chonker Crypto, and after this video, if you liked or learned anything, go and smack that like button like it owes you money. Let's get started, guys. So, what is MetaMask and why exactly do you need it? So at its core, MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to send, receive, and store your crypto. But its main selling point is it allows you to connect and interact with decentralized apps, also known as dApps, aka Web3. So with MetaMask, you're able to connect to dApps such as OpenSea, the NFT marketplace, and decentralized exchanges such as UnisSwap. But why is that such a big deal? Let me give you guys an example. So, say I wanted to buy a new token that's not listed on any centralized exchanges such as Coinbase. I could connect my MetaMask to a decentralized exchange such as UnisSwap and buy that token. When that token gets listed on Coinbase, I'm already a step ahead of everybody. Once tokens or coins get listed on big centralized exchanges such as Coinbase, then the majority of crypto users have access to them. If you're able to use MetaMask and say UnisSwap, the decentralized apps, you're able to get access to them way before, and you can stay way ahead of the herd. Prices usually go crazy on coins that are newly listed on big exchanges, so that's why it's so profitable to use MetaMask and get them way before everybody else. Now we all know what MetaMask is and why we need it. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it. Alright guys, we got Google Chrome open here. Now we need to install the MetaMask itself, which is actually an extension on Google Chrome. So to get there, all we need to do is just search Chrome extensions, and it should be the top one that comes up. Make sure you're on the Chrome Web Store. We're going to click that one, and in here on the search, we got to search for MetaMask. In here, since this is part of the crypto world, there's going to be 155 different scams. We need to make sure we're on the correct one up here. What we're going to do is click on the Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and it should be downloading here. After the download and installation finished, it opened by itself, so we're going to continue the process here. Start creating our wallet. Basically, we just got to agree to everything. Hit next. Next, guys, it has us creating a password for our wallet. Keep in mind that this is the local MetaMask wallet password, meaning if you're wanting to import this MetaMask wallet onto a different machine than you're on currently, you're going to need the 12-word seed phrase that we're going to be getting to in just a moment. This password is just to sign in to your same local machine that you're installing it on currently. So we've created a password here, guys. We're going to click Create a New Wallet. Here, guys, we're going to want to click on the Secure My Wallet down here. And this, make sure you're doing it in private. This is just a tutorial video that I'm showing you guys. So I am going to show the seed phrase for this test wallet. But keep in mind, I'm obviously not going to use this wallet. This is just for the video. For you guys, you're going to want to click on the Reveal Secret Recovery phrase down here. And you're going to want to write down these words in order, all 12 of them. And instead of the password, this is going to be the 12-word seed phrase. So if you ever need to import this wallet or put this wallet onto a different machine that you're currently on, these 12 words in order is going to be the keys to the kingdom. Do not ever share or let anyone see your 12-word seed phrase. As I stated before, this is the keys to the kingdom. So with these 12 words, they have total access and total control of that wallet. So any money inside that wallet, if you give somebody your 12-word seed phrase, they now have access to it. I recommend physically writing down your 12-word seed phrase in a couple different spots and then putting them in secure places. Like I said before, anyone that has the 12-word seed phrase has full control and full access of that wallet and anything that's in that wallet. So we got our seed phrase written down, taken care of, guys. We're going to hit next down here. And then it's going to actually quiz us on the seed phrase. I'm going to go ahead and do this and jump forward to the next spot. It had me punch in part of my seed phrase just to make sure I actually had it written down. I did that. We're going to click got it down at the bottom here. Going to hit next and then done. At this point, we can close out of anything else that pops up. Our wallet should be fully created at this point. We can actually use it. So I'll show you guys how to do that next. All Alright guys, I closed out everything so that way I can show you how to get back into MetaMask itself. So we're going to open up Google Chrome again. At the very top right hand corner, we're going to click the little puzzle piece for extensions. And what I like to do is there's a pin button. Click that and it'll actually keep your MetaMask icon up there. And that's how we actually get into the MetaMask itself. So we click on that. It's going to ask us for our local password that we created. Punch that in. And now we have access to our MetaMask wallet. First time opening this, it's going to show us a couple different things we can just close out of. There we go. Now we got the MetaMask wallet open, guys. I'm going to show you just a couple basic features of it. Starting at the top. Up here is the MetaMask wallet address. So if you were going to send crypto to this wallet, that would be where you'd send it to. You can click on there and actually copy it. You can send crypto. We click on the send here and you'd punch in an address. We can swap it from one crypto to another. There's quite a few things you can do with this wallet, but like I said, the main ones are connecting to dApps, and I'll show you guys that next. Alright guys, so here we are on UnisSwap, one of the dApps or Web3 apps I've been talking about that you can use with MetaMask. I'm going to show you just briefly how you would connect your MetaMask wallet to the app. So here I am on the website. We're going to click on the Get Started. And from here, we're going to click on the Connect Wallet. And we have the MetaMask wallet. We're going to click that one. And here is where it gets a little bit confusing for people that are not familiar with MetaMask. Essentially what it's asking you to do is approve the connection from this wallet to whichever app you're on. So since I know we're on the correct website, I'm going to click Next here and connect. From there, my wallet is now connected to the app. And if I had, say, ETH in my wallet, I'd be able to use UnisSwap and swap my ETH for whatever token whatever I picked here. Just a quick note, I'm not actually going to make a swap on UnisSwap or anything like that. I just wanted to show you guys how you'd connect your MetaMask wallet to the app itself. I plan on making a standalone UnisSwap tutorial video in the near future, so keep tuned if you're interested in that, guys. I'm going to show you guys the process of connecting your MetaMask wallet to another decentralized app, such as OpenSea we have here. So I got the website open. I'm going to click on Login at the top. Here it's going to do what it similarly did with UnisSwap. It's going to ask us to connect our wallet. So we're going to click on the MetaMask one. Once again, it's going to have us actually approve the connection, which you'd only want to do if you're on the correct website, whatever you want to connect to. There is a lot of scam websites, so say if you connect your wallet to a scam, it could easily just drain the entire wallet and all the funds inside of it. So this is why you need to be very careful when you do connect your wallet to anything. Here we're on the correct website, so I'm going to connect and sign. And there we are. Not that I have anything in this wallet, but now if I did, it is fully connected to OpenSea. And I'd be able to sell, trade, and send NFTs and whatnot on here. And now you guys have full access to any Web3 apps you might want to use. This is extremely powerful because the further away you get from the masses in the crypto space, the further ahead you can get yourself. Your average person is not going to want to learn MetaMask and UnisSwap, etc. So the people that go out of their way to learn these types of things are going to be able to get rewarded greatly in the future.